In a world where plants whispered secrets, a curious scientist listened. "What if we could share your energy without harm?" they asked the forest. The tree swayed, revealing a hidden dance of light and life. Inspired, the scientist crafted a device that mirrored nature's rhythm, drawing power gently from the leaves. "We can thrive together," the scientist declared, watching cities glow green. The world embraced this harmony, and the air sang with hope. "Our future is bright," echoed the plants as humanity learned to listen. Like, comment, and subscribe for more stories like this.